Why do we need God or religion? This question has intrigued human minds since the birth of human civilization. And in order to fulfill this requirement, people have developed many beliefs which help them understand the surroundings they were living in. The condition in which people follow an unknown, unimaginable deity and worship him can be explained in many ways. But the question here is, why would someone want all this in their lives? Maybe it is because it gives them the purpose of living and sense of life. Many intelligent minds have interpreted religion differently, as Einstein once said that my religion consists of a humble admiration of the illimitable superior spirit who reveals himself in the slight details we are able to perceive with our frail and feeble mind. But Aristotle's narrative was a bit different. He stated that men create gods after their own image, not only with regard to their form, but with regard to their mode of life. So, religion can be one among many channels to help someone gain a sense of life meaning. The pioneer in this field, Viktor Frankl, was a Viennese psychiatrist who lived through the Holocaust concentration camps. In his research and work both in the camps and afterward in private practice, he found that the crucial thing for individuals surviving and thriving in life is to develop a personal sense of purpose and meaning, what he terms the will to meaning. His work correlates with the philosophical position of existentialism, the idea that the source of life meaning and the purpose lies within ourselves as individuals. There are many paths to do so. For example, Frankel helped people find purpose and meaning in life through helping others remember their joys, sorrows, sacrifices, and blessings, and thereby bringing back to mind the meaningfulness of their lives as already lived. Only 16% of the people worldwide are not religious, but still, this equates to 1.2 billion individuals who find it difficult to reconcile the ideas of religion with what they know about the world. Why people believe is a question that has plagued great thinkers for many centuries. Karl Marx, for example, called religion the opium of the people. Sigmund Freud felt that God was an illusion and worshippers were reverting to the childhood needs of security and forgiveness. A more recent psychological explanation is the idea that every evolution has created a God-shaped hole or has given us a metaphorical God engine which can drive us to believe in a deity. Essentially, this hypothesis is that religion is a byproduct of a number of cognitive and social adaptations which have been extremely important in human development. The vast majority of the world's 7 billion people practice some kind of religion, ranging from massive worldwide churches to obscure spiritual tradition and local sects. Nobody really knows how many religions there are on the planet, but whether the number or whatever the number, there are at least that many theories about why we have religion at all. One idea is that humans evolved from small hunter-gatherer tribes into large agrarian cultures. Our ancestors needed to encourage cooperation and tolerance among relative strangers. Religion then, along with the belief in moralizing God, was a cultural adaptation to these challenges. But that's just one idea. There are many others, or make up your own. At the end of the day, they are all just theories. None has been empirically tested. So, what is religion then, and why we need it? Whether it's enhance our valuable social behaviors, it is not entirely clear what cognitive mechanism at work in religion's influence on self-control. One possibility is that religion makes people mindful of an ever-watchful God, and thus encourages more self-monitoring or religious priming, may activate concerns of spiritual punishment. A more secular explanation is that a religious priming makes people more concerned about their reputation in the community, leading to more careful self-monitoring.